Welcome to 1524 Kingdom Way. This beautifully updated 3-bedroom, 2 full bath home with a 2-car garage, bonus room, beautiful updates inside including granite countertops and stainless steel appliances in the kitchen, as well as new lighting fixtures, and also a covered back patio. It's located in the Legacy Park neighborhood in Indian Land, South Carolina, and that's convenient to both Rock Hill and Charlotte metro areas in the upstate of South Carolina. So we're outside. You can see the home sits in a nice neighborhood that does have some included amenities. I believe a community pool. It is near a lake. There's some other features as well. You have a covered front porch. As you enter here, you can see there was a 2-car garage as well. So we enter into the foyer of the home. You can see you have some beautiful light colored hardwood flooring here, natural wood color. You have nice wainscoting molding in the foyer as well. You have your secondary bedrooms off to the right side there. We'll double back on those, but we'll take a look at the main living areas of the home and the master first. So right off of this foyer, you do have access to the stairs that go up to the bonus room as well, and we'll hold off on that for a second also. So again, you can just see the view back to the foyer. So nice size. And then as soon as we step into the living room, you can see you have beautiful vaulted ceilings throughout much of the living and kitchen space. Beautiful accent wall with a fireplace and mantle and a gas log fireplace, and then you have a tile hearth there. Nice upscale ceiling fan as well. You have nice ceiling fans throughout the home. I believe most of them are on a remote, so you have the ability to control them that way as well. And then adjacent to the living space, you can see the beautiful kitchen. And you have a gorgeous light fixture there coming down from the vaulted ceilings, and also that nice high window letting in tons of natural light into the kitchen. You can see the wainscoting picks up back here in the dining area as well, which has a huge picture window out to the back. Nice fixture there itself. But the kitchen has granite countertops. You have a custom tile backsplash, you can see with the nice design there, and also stainless steel appliances mixed in with some black. So you have a 5-burner gas range, built-in microwave, side-by-side refrigerator and dishwasher. Of course, the cabinets in white. And then right off of the kitchen area, you have a pantry on the left side here for some additional food storage. On your right side, you have the laundry closet. So there are a washer and dryer pair in here right now, full size. Those most likely will be included with the unit. Do verify that with the office, of course, the leasing office, before making any decisions. And then access to the 2-car garage. We'll boost some light for you here. So you can see there's a vehicle parked inside right now, just for a little bit of scale. It's a smaller mid-size SUV, but it is a 2-car garage. You do have some additional space sort of back on the ends back towards the camera that have just a bit more storage as well. Adjust that light for you again there, and again you can see the nice dining area here. So in addition to the windows, you have the sliding glass door window out to the exterior space, if we can get you out there. So nice covered patio with the ceiling fan, and you can see a huge extended patio pad out back as well, which is very nice. And you back up to a wooded area on the back end, and what I believe is a sort of a neighborhood trail that just kind of runs back along the house, but possibly even a nice area for a fire pit over there where the circle is. So we'll go back through the living room, and off of this end you have the master bedroom. So this is a split floor plan home. So the master is off the living room and the other bedrooms are separate. You do have a ceiling fan in here, vaulted ceilings, and also a walk-in closet, which is a really nice size, in addition to a private bathroom, of course, with double sinks. There's some nice updated light fixtures there. And then you also do have the separate garden tub, nice window above, and your standing shower. And then the commode's behind the little half wall there. And then back out towards the front of the house, we'll wrap up on this side, and we'll just go ahead and swing through the bonus room first and then hit the other bedrooms and the secondary bathroom. So up the stairs here, you can see you have a nice sized bonus room above the garage. Nice ceiling fan up here as well. So perfect space for some additional living space, playroom, office, whatever you would like to use that space for, or just storage. And then last but not least, you have your 2 other bedrooms and bath off this hall. So on this side, just another entry closet for the foyer, coat closet. And then you have bedroom number 2. This one faces the front of the home, as does the bonus room. The master is facing the backyard. Nice big window that goes pretty low to the floor. And the closet, linen closet here at the end of the hall. Bedroom number 3. The closet there. And then finally your second full bathroom in the home. And you can see nice updated fixtures and a shower and tub and a single vanity in here. So that completes our tour of this beautifully updated home in Indian Land, South Carolina, 1524 Kingdom Way. You can find more information online at turnerproperties.com.